Hi, Kelly from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle, and what we have here is the left muffler and pipe from a 1975 Honda CB360T, and we do believe this will fit the 75, 76, and up to 70. I think they made them in 77 CB360s. Anyway, there is some road rash on the front pipe. The muffler is very solid. There is no rust through here. There is some surface rust down here on the bottom, but there is no rust through. It's a very solid muffler. Looks pretty presentable on the top side. This would be something good for a rider. This will be listed on eBay. Another thing is we will separate the pipe and the muffler just to help reduce the shipping costs, so that we can put it in a smaller box. But these do come apart. We're not breaking anything. Thanks for watching.